It's opening day of the Epcot Festival of the Arts, the first festival of the year, Friday, January 16th. And we are going to report on about a dozen different foods today, about a dozen tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. It's about 10:30 a.m. and it's looking pretty crowded, which is not unexpected for first day of an Epcot festival. We are headed towards Test Track for the 11 a.m. opening of the food booth, and we're going to start off at the Deconstructed Dish booth. The dishes we'll be trying at the Deconstructed Dish booth will be the Deconstructed BLT and the Deconstructed Key Lime Pie. Very excited about both of those. Our first stop today was at the Deconstructed Dish, and we have our Deconstructed BLT. From right to left, we have pork belly, a soft poached egg, onion bread pudding, watercress espuma, and tomato jam. I'm excited to dive in. I'm cutting up this pork belly. I'm not usually a huge pork belly fan, but I had to try it today. It looks like there are some mustard seeds on top. There we go. Very well flavored. Our poached egg. It's a little harder than I would like it to be, but it still looks really good. There's some salt on top, which is yummy. It's a little cold, but that's okay.
It's also pretty cold out today, so.
Yeah, it's like 50 degrees out. And then that's yummy. It's like a savory French toast. Onion bread French toast is like, that's good. That spuma is cold, but it's good. It will go nicely on top of the warm bread. And then the bacon jam. More tomatoey than I would have expected, but it's good. I want to definitely put all these things together. Our second item today from the Deconstructed Dish is the Deconstructed Key Lime Pie, and it is a key lime curd, key lime gelée, toasted meringue, and graham cracker crumbs with waffle cone triangles. Very artfully done. We have our Deconstructed Key Lime Pie. I'm hoping that these triangle chips are strong enough to hold up. Seems they are. Out a good lime flavor. Oh, that's yummy. That curd is good too. It might be closed right now. I could eat a lot of that. Very good. Stop number 2 today is going to be Inspiration Station inside the Odyssey Pavilion. This line is bonkers, which is the same every festival it seems like, so have patience when you come into the Odyssey Pavilion if you're here on opening weekend. Here's our popcorn chicken and waffle. It's pretty big, so hopefully it'll taste good. I think this is probably a pavilion to avoid if you are concerned about the reactions with your kids in red food dye or any color food dye, so just keep that in mind in the Odyssey Pavilion. All right, first bite. We've got our colorful popcorn and our popcorn chicken. It's good for fried popcorn chicken. It's got a little bit of maple syrup on it, but it's not overwhelming.
I see the inside.
Grilled chicken. It's pretty good. Bubble waffle. No specific flavoring to the waffle, but it's warm, it's light and fluffy. It's good. This is overall fun. I think there's a fair amount of chicken in there, so I think you will be satisfied. This is a good value for a quick meal. Now, that being said, not quick. That line is wacky. Be prepared to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes for your food, especially if you're here opening weekend. Festival booth number 3 today outside of the Mexico Pavilion. We have El Artista Hambriento, and today we're going to try the chili relleno taco with the seared beef and poblano peppers. All right, first bite of this beef poblano chili relleno taco. There's a lot of filling here, so this is messy. Oh gosh, I'm gonna need a fork. It's delicious. The only thing I don't like about this is the price. Everything that I've had in the last couple of holiday festivals from Mexico has been delicious, but it's just pricey for the portion size that you get, but it is really good. We are approaching our fourth stop of the day. We're headed into Norway. The Kringle Bakery has a festival item. Here is our cardamom bun with a hazelnut spread. If you like school bread here at Kringle Bakery, odds are good that you'll like this as long as you enjoy hazelnut. First bite. A lot of bread. I was hoping, okay, I should have cut this open with a knife. There is hazelnut in the center. Ah! It's good. It's cold, which is nice. It's not too sweet. I think it's good. I like this. I think I prefer this over the school bread, actually. But that's probably because I prefer hazelnut cream to a Bavarian like vanilla cream. So I like it. I recommend. Approaching the Painted Panda booth right outside of China. And here we're looking for two different types of dumplings. There's a General Tso's chicken shumai and a char siu pork bun. Here's the first look at the chicken shumai. These are very large pieces and they look just like the pictures, so very excited that they look like they're supposed to. The char siu pork bun looks delightful. It's actually much larger than I anticipated it being, so we're excited to dive in. First bite of chicken shumai. Oh. It's warm. It's interesting. I wouldn't have thought to pair cucumber with it. It kind of brings a little lighter, more refreshing note to a savory dish. Overall, I like it. It's nothing crazy, but it's enjoyable. Here we go. We got first bite of our pork bun. The dough for the bun is super light, super springy. The pork's a little dry. I can appreciate how much pork is in here, but I don't think it's my favorite. It's not bad, but it's not stand out either. Okay, we have our polenta pasticciata, polenta, bolognese, parmesan, mozzarella, and tomato sauce, and it does look yummy. First bite of the polenta cake. Okay, so it's the bottom layer is that bolognese, and it's a pretty thick layer of ground beef. The corn cake is not quite as fresh as I would like it to be, but overall it's good, and it's nice to get a little bit of meat in there with the polenta. And for dessert at the Italy booth, we have our raspberry spuma, and this is a vanilla sauce, mint whipped cream, and puffed rice. So that's some interesting flavor combos. Bit of the raspberry spuma. We're gonna get a little of this mint. The mint cream is good. That raspberry is nice, a little bit of tart in there. We go all the way down to the bottom. Can we get that vanilla? Not a ton of vanilla down there. More raspberry forward. I think the mint is interesting. I don't dislike it. I just don't know that I would pair it with that either. This is good. We are headed towards our last booth of the day, the artist table in the America Pavilion. There are plenty more booths to be experienced, but we're cutting it off at 7 booths today. We've got our steak with herbed butter, asparagus, and potatoes au gratin from the America Pavilion. I'm gonna have to cut this with a special, they gave us a special wooden knife, so hopefully that helps with the steak a little bit. Oh, those cheesy potatoes are good. Love the flaked salt on top of the steak. Asparagus. Slightly undercooked, but still very good. Good flavor. All right. good steak. The wooden knife actually did a decent job of cutting since my table is a stroller right now, which is not great. It's cooked to a nice medium, tons of flavors, maybe a tiny bit too salty, but like maybe not. It's really yummy. A lot of herbs in that herb butter. Overall, this dish is a big win. Way to go, America Pavilion. All right, the chocolate cake is good. It's a flourless chocolate torte. It's nice and warm and gooey, and it's got a good chocolate on the top. The raspberry and the whipped cream are a really good pairing. This is a full win for the America Pavilion. That's gonna do it for our first day at Festival of the Arts. We went through 7 different food booths and got almost, I think, 11 or 12 different food items. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out any future food reviews, and we'll see you in the next video. I'm Danny with Healthy Disney. Bye for now.